Hey there, in this short video tutorial, we will guide you through the easy steps to use the ChatGPT Assistant plugin. To use the plugin, at first you need to connect the OpenAI API Key to the plugin. To get the OpenAI API Key, we need to visit the following link and head to the OpenAI API Keys page like this and create new secret key. We name the key, for example, testing key. Then we can set the project, for example, default project, and click create secret key button. Here we need to copy the secret key and paste it to the OpenAI API Keys part and save the changes. As you can see, the chatbot icon appeared here after connecting the OpenAI API Key. This is designed for admins to ask questions, for example, about how to customize the pages of the website. Also, the free version of the ChatGPT Assistant plugin allows you to have a front chat so that your website visitors can ask their questions. To enable the front chat feature, you need to go to the front chat page here. Then enable the show chat window on front end option and save the changes. Here is the ChatGPT chatbot on the front end. We can click on it and ask our questions. For example, we can ask ChatGPT to provide me with online business ideas for 2024. Here is the response of the ChatGPT chatbot. Also, we can ask another question. For example, we can ask what online business we can start with minimal investment. That's all. In this short video tutorial, we have learned how to use the ChatGPT Assistant plugin. Bye!